Hi and welcome to this week's episode of Preloved Chica, and today I'm going to talk to you about the things I have got in my suitcase because I'm going on holiday and I'm preparing for that holiday, and I realise that probably 80% of the stuff that I've got in my case is secondhand. And so first of all, I'm not sure I'll be taking all of these things, I have to say, but this is my pile of trousers. Now, maybe having like 8 pairs of trousers is perhaps too much, but I mean this particular pair, a linen, beautiful pair of trousers, they're just so gorgeous and they go really well with this pineapple top, which I'll show you. So there's my pile of trousers, and a lot of them are leggings as well. So sometimes I like to have a pair of leggings under a dress, which is a bit weird, and I probably will need it because it's going to be hot. I'm going to Sicily. But anyway, there we are. So my lovely bikini, little sparkly number, sequins. Picked this up in a jumble sale, and I have got a lovely sparkly top, which is going to go on top of this said bikini. We all know when I'm at the beach, swimming pool, so I can cover up so I don't get burnt. So that's that. I've obviously as well got all my underwear. I'm not going to go into those details, you don't need to see those. But I've got a top, should I want to go for a run, Preloved little top. That's why, because I'm going for 3 weeks, I probably do need a lot of trousers because I'm not sure how I'm going to wash these things. But anyway, now, will I be brave enough, do you think, to wear these? This is the weirdest thing. These were a pair of jeggings, I suppose you'd want to say, and they had a hole in the knee, and I thought, oh, I'll just cut the legs off and I'll turn them into dusters. Then when I'd cut the legs off just randomly, I thought, these could be quite a cool pair of shorts. And, you know, the legs are just as they are. They're not bad, you know. So I'm taking them, but whether I'll be brave enough to wear those, I've got no idea. Anyway, so the other thing is I've put together lots of outfits, and, you know, you can kind of see that they're all colour coordinated, but I'm not sure I'll take all of them. But Preloved, this is a beautiful floaty little number and a tiny little cardigan to go on top. Then that, I haven't worn that. This is really a summery kind of thing. I haven't worn it yet. I may not take that. I literally are putting everything out and then deciding. This is my, mushroom cloud dress with a very, very low back. I have worn this, but very, very low back. That might go. This is one of my favourite orange dresses, and it matches quite nicely with this, sparkly cardigan. So this could be going in the suitcase. You'd think I was going for a month. You'd think I was going for 3 months, wouldn't you? But as I say, I've put it all out, laid it all out, and then I'll decide which things are keepers. I love these heart-shaped sequin tops too, so I'm going to take at least one of those. I've got one in black too. Then this dress, I have never worn this sleeveless dress, but I did pick it up last year, and I think with the grey top, because I don't want to get burnt, so I love the long-sleeved look. Oh, remember that linen pair of trousers? Then this is what matches with that. It's cotton. The only trouble is it does crease a bit, so it's not ideal for travelling, but I've been wearing it so much lately that I just can't bear to leave it behind. Then look at this, sleeveless. Oh, I just love it. I love the colours, and this kind of wrap goes really nice with it too. And still, they keep coming. I'm not going to take all of these, but I just thought you'd be interested in how my mind works with regards to looking at clothes for a holiday. And as I said, maybe even 90% of this stuff is Preloved. Probably not going to take that. It's quite heavy, and I've only got 23 kilograms, I think. But I love this little orange number, so that might go. So that's clothes. Now, the other thing in the suitcase is when I'm away, I'm going to do something very creative. I'm planning to do journaling. I've been preparing my pages in my journal, preparing all these pages, and I've already got some other bits and pieces. I did some art with a group of lovely people on Sunday. We had so much fun. So I've got to make room for my journal and some art materials. And then I'm going to give a big shout out to my lovely son Lyle, who sent me this package today from Japan, because I'm going to Italy and the mosquitoes love me there. Oh my gosh, the times when I've had huge mosquito bites. But what the Japanese do, they produce these incredible patches. They're like plasters, and you put them on a mosquito bite and that's it. It takes all the sting, all the itchiness away. So come on, mosquitoes, I'm prepared for you. Obviously I'll be taking as well, I'll be taking the sprays. So thank you, Lyle, it's so cool. Also a little Japanese snack there, and some beautiful sweets. So they're like little jelly beans, actually. Poiful, they're called. Can you see those? Anyway, so that's going in the suitcase. So I've got a few more days to go. Obviously, I'll have to kind of be a bit careful about what I take, but I just thought you might like to see my thought processes and the range of choices of things that I've been buying recently, all pre-loved. So till next time, I hope you'll subscribe, and if you've got any comments, do comment below. If I get a chance, if I find any pre-loved clothes in Italy, I'll be sure to do a little video to share with you. Thanks for listening. Till next time. Preloved Chica, passion for fashion.